Greetings, Blazer community. I look forward to a time when we can see each other again on campus, at the Hill Center, Bartow Arena, the Alice Stevens Center, or at a town hall or faculty meeting. For now, we need to continue encouraging everyone to stay at home as much as possible and to avoid contact with others to thwart the spread of COVID-19. Between our distance learning and limited business operations, we've all had a lot of practice at this by now, and I hope you're adapting and taking it very seriously. Updates, information, resources, and announcements will continue to be available to you at uab.edu/coronavirus, which is updated daily. This has been a fast-moving, ever-changing crisis that has disrupted our operations in ways never seen before, changing the way we learn, work, and live. But it hasn't changed our mission to educate, to heal, to discover, and to support each other and our community. And it hasn't changed the resolve of the UAB community to do good every day. I'm proud to have witnessed the Blazer spirit in the midst of this pandemic crisis, and I want to thank each and every one of you. Despite challenges and uncertainties, we continue to stay strong and move forward. Students, you have persevered in your pursuit of your education, and you've shown patience and understanding, while UAB faculty and staff have worked tirelessly to support you. Faculty and staff, you have changed the way you work, many working 7 days a week, and some literally around the clock, to solve problems and re-perfect your craft in this new environment for the benefit of those we serve. Of course, special recognition and thanks needs to go to our healthcare heroes and those who support them for their tireless work on the front lines of this pandemic every day. Thank you so very much. I also want to recognize the University of Alabama System Office and Board of Trustees and thank them for their leadership, their partnership, and their support that helped UAB and our sister campuses implement early, decisive action to protect our students, faculty, staff, and community. The Blazer family has shown great dedication to their institution and to their work responsibilities. The most heartening work I've seen are the examples around our campus, people going above and beyond to innovate and to look for new ways to work together and to support each other. Student Government Association leaders are raising and making available emergency funds to fellow students in need as a result of the crisis. Foreign language faculty made time while preparing online classes to translate content on our coronavirus website to create a Spanish language section of the site. School of Engineering faculty designed and are making face shields using 3D printing that are desperately needed by our healthcare workers caring for COVID-19 positive patients. Our Student Affairs team made Camp Hall available to our frontline healthcare workers who need a place to stay on campus. And students who were affected by this have worked selflessly to be a good participant. Coach Bill Clark led an effort with Heart of Alabama Chevy dealers to deliver more than 400 lunches to healthcare workers at UAB Hospital. And he and others have worked to raise thousands of dollars to Meals for Heroes. There are so many examples of Blazers stepping up to help other Blazers and to help our community. It is simply who we are. When we overcome this pandemic, and we will know that we did our part and more to help Birmingham and Alabama and to be there for each other. And in return, our community is also supporting UAB. Alums and donors have given funds to support our students, to support staff in need, and to support vital research that will help us solve this COVID epidemic. Information about those opportunities is available at uab.edu uab.edu/fight COVID-19. In many ways, UAB is at the center of the fight against COVID. We were quick to institute travel restrictions, online learning, and a limited business model to protect against the spread of the virus. And the city, county, and many businesses followed our example. Many of our infectious disease experts have appeared in local, national, and international news coverage sharing important information and providing guidance to those around the world. UAB faculty launched helpbeatcovid19.org, a symptom tracker to identify COVID-19 hotspots and help us know where the virus is spreading. UAB Hospital has prepared for the worst and is caring for more COVID-positive patients than any other hospital in the state. We are one of 70 participating sites around the world in a promising clinical trial of a COVID treatment, remdesivir, a drug against the coronavirus that was developed through an NIH grant led by UAB. We brought the first COVID testing site to Southside and helped expand and support testing in other areas of the city where testing was not available. A team in the health system is helping coordinate efforts to secure the much-needed protective equipment for the entire state as well as for UAB. And many researchers on campus are working to solve the coronavirus mystery and to develop new treatments and a vaccine. We've already done so much, and we're going to get through this successfully together. In the meantime, please take care of yourself and of each other. Again, take social distancing very seriously and find out how you can support our community at uab.edu/fight COVID-19. Nancy and I are supporting these funds, and I hope that you will if you can. If you need support, please seek it out. Students, reach out to Student Affairs to learn more about assistance that is available. Faculty, staff, reach out to the Benevolent Fund and to one another for support. And don't forget that students, faculty, and staff in need can receive food through our Blazer Kitchen every week, a week's worth of food, once a week, and they need our support as well. These are trying times, but stay strong, stay safe, stay at home unless you're providing vital functions, stay away from each other, wash your hands, and sanitize surfaces you touch. Learn more and keep up with the latest at uab.edu/coronavirus. Thank you for all that you're doing, and yes, go Blazers.